Hello, this is Group 4 with Jesse, Edward, Izzy, and Robert. We will be informing you on the history and development of the cameras. In the 1500s, the ancient Greeks and Chinese used an optical device called the camera obscura, which projected images on a screen. It wasn't until the 1800s until a practical camera was invented. In 1888, George Eastman developed the Kodak camera, pioneering the photographic film.
Along with the camera was the film, which was discovered in a chemistry lab in 1727 by Johann Heinrich Schulze. He mixed chalk, silver, and nitric acid in a flask to make silver nitrate. When the solution was exposed to the sunlight, it changed the colors from white to purple. When he pasted the cutouts of the letters and numbers on the outside of a flask of freshly made solution and exposed it to the light, the cutouts appeared to have been printed on the solution. Although the discovery marked the birth of photography, it wasn't used for over 100 years.
As we transition from the original cameras, we are now in the digital world, and during the 1960s, NASA converted from using analog to digital signals with their space probes to map the surface of the moon. In 1990, Kodak developed the photo CD system and proposed the first worldwide standard for defining color in the digital environment of computers and computer peripherals. In 1991, Kodak released the first professional digital system aimed at photojournalists. This was a Nikon F3 camera equipped with a 1.3 megapixel sensor. The first digital camera for the consumer level market that worked with a home computer via serial cable were the Apple QuickTake 100 camera, which was in February 17, 1994. Then the Kodak DC40 camera, which was also in March 28, 1995. Then came also the Casio QV11 with LCD monitor, which was during the late 1995. And then the Sony's Cybershot digital still camera in 1996. Kodak then entered into an aggressive co-marketing campaign to promote the DC40 and to help introduce the idea of digital photography to the general public. Kinko's and Microsoft both collaborated with Kodak to create digital image, making software workstations and kiosks which allow customers to produce photo CD discs and photographs, and then added digital images to documents. Finally, the marketing worked, and today digital cameras are everywhere with different megapixels and resolutions.
In conclusion, we all see it started way back with the ancient Greeks and Chinese in 1500. Film was discovered going back to 1727 by mere mixing of chalk, silver, and acid. In 1839, we see a progression with liquid iodine. We see different progression until digital camera technology came in, which was in 1995, making the art of photography fun, capturing memorable events with great images to treasure forever.